first thing you feel is the cool breeze on your fingertips and the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost is the, you see, the Kundalini is the reflection of the Holy Ghost, which is the power of God's desire. And when you start feeling the cool breeze coming out of your head, and you also start feeling the cool breeze on your fingertips. This is the first thing that happens to you. You see it. For the first time, you feel this subtle energy, which is the living energy, which we call as the all-pervading power of God's love, or we call it as Brahma Chaitanya. You can call it as Ruh. Anyway, it is that energy which looks after all living process. For example, these flowers are created. We take it for granted. It's a miracle. In a rose bush you get this flower, in another bush you get another flower. What a choice, what a tremendous work. In ourselves also, when we eat the food, the digestion starts, everything. We take everything for granted. So all this living work is done by that subtle energy, and for the first time you start feeling that subtle energy. So this is what happens, and then when you start using it, you are amazed that how this self-realization helps you, because it also tells you about your own centers, what's wrong with you and how you should correct it. If you are spiritually something wrong or something physically wrong, mentally wrong, anyway, it corrects. Apart from that, then you know about others also, what's wrong with them, and you start helping them out, because it becomes very easy to find out and how to rectify it. Then you start thinking about your society. What's wrong with your society? What's wrong with your country? What's wrong with the whole universe? And that's how it starts moving in a collective understanding as how we can correct it, because you develop a complete balance within yourself, and this balance is developed in many people, starts telling them how far to go with transitory things, how to rectify all these impending problems on us. Apart from that, self-realization gives you so many powers that in one lecture I may not be able to tell you all that. But simple as that, now for supposing we experimented on, say, agriculture. I was amazed that I created a flower, sunflower, many of them, the size was about 2 diameters. And the university people from the agricultural college, they came down to see, and they were amazed how I could make so well without using any hybrid seeds. Ordinary seeds I used. And the same thing with vibrations. We could produce flowers which can only be produced, say, in England or other places in India. And once we tried about 60 kilos of rice, which is a special type called basmati, which never grows in that area. And I said, all right, let me try in about an acre's land. And we created 270 kilos of rice out of that. It was so amazing. I mean, they could not believe it.
Where did you grow this?
Beg pardon?
Where did you grow basmati rice?
In Pune, in my house. I have agricultural land where. And the agriculturist came and saw, the scientist came and saw, and they were surprised at the whole thing. So you can work it out this way. For example, now here we see so many trees dying out. You can save them. There was another scientist we have got in Austria, who was an advisor for agriculture for UN, and he has found out that he was given a job to save the trees which were dying out of this acid rain, and he tried Sahaja Yoga treatment on those trees, and he said that he could not save the trees which were beyond 60 years, but all others gave up. And then again he went there. After 6 months he saw they were all nicely there. So it works on agriculture. It works on health. In Delhi University there are 3 doctors who have got their MDs doing research on Sahaja Yoga. On 3 subjects they did it. One is the physical abilities and physical health. Second one was in and was on somatic diseases. But our accent is not on curing people or anything, because it automatically you get cured. The main accent is on self-realization, because as a result of self-realization you get cured. So the accent is not on curing people, so people start bringing this one is sick, that one is sick. That's not the point. Mostly if you really want to cure people, then best thing is to give them realization so that they know how to cure themselves.